After attempting to work through the interior cast iron for the sewer main line, it appears we will not be able to complete our inspection today due to configuration of the plumbing in the downstairs crawl space. As we go down from the toilet and connect to the main line, there is no sweep on the toilet. It is simply a T, so the camera is not being pushed properly in the right direction. Also, there are two sharp 90-degree turns up against the back foundation wall, which are limiting push power and catching our camera at the last 90 degree. So what I am going to call for is a reconfiguration of the cast iron plumbing within the crawl space. I will recommend having those two 90 degrees up against the back foundation wall reconfigured to 45 degrees for ease of camera movement through the line. This will also aid in better flow of debris through the line. I am also going to recommend a proper sweep be installed for where the toilet connects to the 4-inch main line. As we pull the camera back, there's also another area in the bathroom itself that I am going to recommend an access be installed to alleviate one additional 90 degree. As an additional mention as well, while we are pulling our camera out of the toilet rough-in, this toilet rough-in does not have a proper flange attaching it to the floor. We simply bolt in on the sides to the subfloor. So I will recommend a proper flange be installed on this toilet. This toilet sweep is also, this toilet rough-in is also composed of lead. So while we are removing and reconfiguring some of the plumbing in the crawl space, I will also recommend this lead be replaced with either PVC or ABS. The additional access I am going to recommend as well, the 4-inch vent stack for the property is coming down in the wall directly in line behind the toilet here. So I am going to recommend an access be installed above where the toilet is present, either by removal of this cabinet or directly above where the toilet sits. At that point, we will also eliminate an additional issue with a turn at the base within the crawl space plumbing. That 90 where the vent stack goes down and then turns and catches the toilet, I am going to recommend be gentled out and reconfigured. All turns within the crawl space should become 45 degrees. In reiteration, proper flange be installed, lead for the toilet be replaced, and then access again up here.